Guys, today we're talking about hot water heaters. This is a standard 6-gallon hot water heater. Some are gas only, some are both gas and electric. This particular one is both gas and electric, which you'll find usually on motorhomes. Only some travel trailers have the gas or LP only hot water heaters. But I really like these LP and electric hot water heaters because it gives you a lot of flexibility. If you're out in the middle of nowhere, you don't want to start your generator, you can run this on LP. And then again, if you're plugged into a campsite, you can save your LP and run it on electric. Now, what a lot of people don't know is that you can actually turn on both your gas and your electric switch, turn them both on, and now you'll have the heating element and the LP, so long as you either are running the generator or you are hooked up to a campground power pole outside. Either way will run the electric, and of course the LP, you just want to make sure your LP tank is on and you're good to go. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you stay up to date on all the latest videos that we release. Also, check out our blog website, wolfrvblog.com. There you'll find all kinds of downloadable checklists and worksheets. You'll find all kinds of videos on troubleshooting, how-to videos, coach reviews, campground reviews, trips, you name it. It's a lot of information, a lot of fun. Go check it out.